Alright guys, so we're in the 2016 Dodge Charger. We're just pulling up to Aaron's house right now. We're going to get this thing cleaned up. It's one of our more expensive cars and in all honesty our better cars. I really like this car. Here we are pulling up at Aaron's house. Oh, there he is cleaning the driveway. Already on it.
Interrupted me just when I was removing all the crap your Mazda left on the driveway.
What do you think of this one?
I think it's got bugs on the front, so I'm spraying it in Bug Plus.
Okay. Overall though, first impression?
Am I lying and saying it's my first impression? Or
you're a dickhead. What's your first impression?
It's reasonably decent. I heard you get a lot of compliments driving these cars.
Apparently old people love this car.
That's what I've been told. I don't know if it's by a trustworthy source. Definitely been rust checked. It has been sprayed in slime.
And what do we think of the overall dottiness?
I mean, it's filthy, but it's not that bad. It's just dirt. Looks like it's just dirt. I mean, I guess we'll find out. What do you want me to tell you?
All right, let's get to it. Oh yeah, that's a good. Nothing. Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. We are a new channel. It does help us. It helps us so much.
Gotta get closer. Yeah.